Hi.
Joan, are you ready? Are you ready? Hold on, I gotta put my seatbelt on for this
put
one.
your seatbelt on because I'm a little nervous.
Ready, go. Isn't it so weird being so quiet?
This is cool. Wow.
All right.
Okay.
And brake, park.
This is a little getting used to. Oh wait.
Ta-da!
Probably a police magnet though.
Could be. So little cool things. We touched base a little bit about the outside of the design. The back of the vehicle is kind of where all the really cool little hidden stuff
Oh, you didn't
happens.
show me where how to open
So
the
if you
trunk.
look, see the Porsche?
Oh my God.
The color other things is this actually is
Did you see that? The color matches? It looks like glass, blue glass.
So this actually will deploy at highway speeds. So it's got a little wing that pops up.
Oh.
And then trying to figure out how to get in the trunk. Here, you have to have the key.
God, all these questions.
I think you can get it. Without the key, you can't cheat. Here's the key.
What do you mean?
You get in the trunk.
You want me to get in the trunk?
Not physically.
What is he talking about?
You cheated!
What was I supposed to do? Is it this button right here?
So, yes, for the back.
We're gonna do it the other way.
Well, you can see there's more ways than one.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Sorry, I had to get my sunglasses. It's a little hot in here. And then same thing. Tap that button to close.
Cool.
And at night, we'll get some really cool night shots for it, but this entire...
Yeah, I want to see that like light
it
up.
looks so beautiful at night.
Okay.
All
So
right.
I'm assuming this one has a frunk.
It does have a front. Now I want you to try something. Do me a favor and lock it.
Lock the car?
Lock the car.
Okay.
Okay. It is locked, and you know it's locked because it beeped twice, and the door handles are now flush.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
See if we can get this to work. This is a trick.
I hate these tricks. What did you do? I turned around for a second.
Okay, I have the key
Yeah.
in my hand.
Yeah.
I'm not touching the key to do anything with it.
Yeah. Get out. Wow. That is
Can you fit a
cool.
yoga mat in there?
Yeah.
Or any hidden shopping bags?
Yes, I can fit a number in there. It goes pretty deep actually. You can fit a nice size shopping bag.
So, just like we talked about in the Tesla video, washer fluid. This one does have for the brake reservoir. You're never gonna have to worry about the brake
yeah,
reservoir
I'm
either.
never doing that.
But washer fluid, again, depends on how many times you use it. Completely your call.
Okay.
But this, in regards to any fluid, including oil, including gas, is the only fluid you have to worry about in this vehicle.
The washer fluid.
That's it.
Okay. Cool. Very cool. I want to try the hand thing. Give me this. Okay.
If you get it on the first try, it took me, it's still a little finicky. Maybe I haven't perfected it yet. Really? First try. Okay. I'll give it up to you.
Okay, let's go. I'm ready.
Are you frothing at the mouth to drive?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
Are you
girl, let's
going
go.
to tell me some more stuff?
No. Let's get her on the road.
You don't even know the car's on though.
Yeah, it's so
It's
weird.
like, is it on? It's in. Whoa! Here we go.
Now,
Oh, wow. Whoa.
45 miles. No, I'm just kidding.
Whoa.
So as you're completely now aware, the car is much wider than what you're used to.
Really?
Yep. And what you're feeling, unfortunately, is
the brake is a little different.
it's a byproduct of the aftermarket wheels that are on this vehicle. So you hear it a little bit, you feel a little bit, being a little bit different.
Yeah. Are you sure?
But
Like
once
I
you
don't
get
have
up
the
to
brake or
speed-
something on, or
No, you're good. It's completely off. But once you get up to speed, it'll roll itself away. See how it goes away?
Yeah.
It's just because the wheel is much larger diameter.
Smooth. Whoa. You can tell. My foot is not even on the gas.
Nope.
It's like, it's just
And it's
rolling
not even
right
a
now.
gas. It's like an on or off pedal.
it's driving itself, basically.